everybody, it's your girl Quinny Jade and I'm back with another video. And for today's video, I'm going to be teaching you guys how to do your eyebrows. Now, if you guys are a new subscriber, welcome to the family. Yeah, you guys are going to love it. You're going to love the content that I provide for y'all. But let's get into this video. Alright, y'all, so I'm just going to be looking into my little mirror right here. And I'm just gonna like bring you guys step by step what you guys need to do, like the things that you need. So this is what you need. Well, this is what I use. I use like a pencil, an eyebrow pencil. I got two. And then I use an eyebrow brush to like, what's it called? To smoothen my concealer, just like, you know what I mean, like to clean it all up. And then I got my LA, is this even LA? Yeah, LA Girl Pro Concealer, to clean up around my edges to make them look defiant or defiant, whatever you want to say or whatever. So let's get into it. Yeah, what y'all want to do is when you get an eyebrow pencil brush, you want to get one that got a spoolie on it, or like you can get like brushes like this, like that already have the ending of this. What I'm doing right now, I'm just pushing up my eyebrows so that my eyebrows can all be up, you know, just, I don't freaking know. At first I was just gonna do like a little voiceover, but then I was like, I might as well just talk about it because it's not even gonna be that long of a video for all that. So yeah, I'm just gonna show you guys the basic steps of how I do my eyebrows. You don't have to do this, but other people do it differently. I prefer to use an eyebrow pencil because when I was younger, using the pomade stuff, it just don't work for me. Like, that stuff don't work. I hope my eyebrows come out good because it seems like every time I do my eyebrows on camera, they come out poops. Like, look, I know right now they look like badgers, and I always say this in all my videos that I do, but I'm just being honest, okay? I'm just being honest. I'm letting y'all know that my eyebrows look crazy. So, yeah, and then another thing, like, I don't really like to do videos like this, like with me talking in it, because sometimes I just feel like I be getting off topic sometimes, and I don't be talking about the right stuff. My eyebrows look a mess. Y'all, I haven't been doing my eyebrows in a few days, so if this don't turn out right, I am sorry. I might just remake this video all over again. So now I'm just gonna take my Pro Concealer and I'm just going to just watch. Forget me even talking, just watch. I can't talk and do my eyebrows at the same time because that's when they start to look crazy. Alright, y'all. So now that I done got the concealer on my eyebrows, now I'm gonna take my little concealer brush and just like, you know, try to get them to look a little, you know, a little better. So let's see how this goes. Sometimes I like to put the concealer on the back of my hand, so because as you can see, it don't really be doing much if you don't got no extra concealer on the side, just smoothing it out. And I don't know if you guys peep, but I created a new intro for my YouTube video because I felt like the one that I had before, just like, I had ended up changing my username on Instagram. So it was just kind of like, sis, you're using an intro and telling them to go follow you on an Instagram page that's not even up. I mean, it's up, but it's just a different name used for use for the video. So it's just like, well, at this point, yeah, I don't know about these brows. I haven't done my eyebrows in a minute. You know, I'm gonna just shut up, let y'all watch what I'm doing. I'm gonna just play some music in the background because this is ridiculous. Alright, y'all, so basically this is what I got so far. I feel like I feel like the arch on these are okay. I mean, they not the best, but it'll do. Oh, we need to fix this right there because that's a no-brainer. Okay, honey? That's a no-no. But I feel like if you could see like right here how it like go, I don't know, y'all. I don't know. I need to take my pencil and shoot that thing. I said shoot. Look at my hand. So y'all, now I'm just gonna take a little makeup wipe and just wipe all this excess concealer off. I know a lot of people are probably gonna be like, well, why don't you just blend it in with your skin? No, honey. No, I only do that if I'm going out or like if I'm wearing like, the only time that you'll ever catch me blending it in with my skin is if I'm wearing full face makeup. Like it'll just blend in with the foundation and stuff like that. But if I'm not, I don't got time for all that. I don't like all this excess stuff. And then you could tell that it's not your proper skin tone. I mean, you could get concealer that's your skin tone, but it don't always end up, the eyebrows don't always end up turning out so nice. I mean, these aren't the best eyebrows off the rip, but these will do, especially because I'm not going nowhere. Yeah, I really don't care how they look. I was just coming on here to show y'all how you could do them, another way that you could do them, because there's like so many ways that you could do your eyebrows, but I'm just showing y'all my method. And so yeah, they're not the best, but these are just like, I would say they're like my eyebrows if I'm on a, like, if I'm rushing or something. These are the eyebrows. Don't mind my hair, y'all, but this is the end of this video, you guys. If you like the way that I did my eyebrows, kudos. But yeah, this is not supposed to be like something so serious. I was just giving y'all some tips, some products that y'all can try. So yeah, see you guys in the next video. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. Love ya.